Okay, so far this unit we've had a look at mainly images and how to get images in, crop them, change the style, and mainly kind of getting screenshots in for our user guide. So we're going to look at some more advanced skills today. Uh, Firstly, we're going to look at how to put a table of contents in, which is really useful for a user guide because it allows the person reading it to see which pages they want to go to. So the first thing probably would be to put a page number in. So let's go insert at the top, page number, and I'm going to put mine at the bottom of the page. You can put yours where you like, and I think I'm going to put it down here. I like this style. So it goes into the footer section, and there's a header and footer. Page 1 there, page 2 here. It will keep going, page 3, 4, add one on each time. So we've got our page numbers. Double click back on your page, and you are back there. So what I want to do now is I'm going to make some headings for these. Now to make headings for these, I need to add an extra line there. So I'm going to click on this side, get my cursor just there, hit enter. And this first one is an A4 page. I'm going to add here that says text box. And on this page, I'm going to add a title, which is changing font colors. So these are going to be my headings, okay? So what I want is I want a table of contents that we can see what pages the different things are on. The most important thing is to have a blank page to put that on. So I'm going to insert a blank page above here. So I need to go right to the top and click right before the G and go insert blank page. So I've got a page beforehand. When you're inserting a blank page, depending on where you are, depends what moves down. So if I click there, insert blank page, anything below that would move down. If I click right at the end, it will insert it afterwards. If I click right at the top, it will insert it before. So just something to be aware of and be careful of. Also, be careful if you've used wrapping on your images. They can sometimes jump around a bit and you just need to reorganize them. So for our table of contents, what we're going to do is we're going to get these headings and what pages they're on. So to start with, we have to set them up as table headings. And to do that, we go right down to the bottom, and it's the fourth button across called Outline. And under Outline, you can see the images have gone, but the titles are here. So if I highlight a title, I've got this section here called Body Text. You've got level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to keep them as level 1. It does the formatting for me. So I'll highlight this one as level 1. Yeah, it says a little plus there as well. Highlight this one, click there and do level 1. So now I've got 3 level 1s and I've got my other things inside that. So I'm going to close that view. Now I've got my 3 level 1s. And I'm back onto here. You can see the colours and styles have changed. But other than that, everything is exactly the same. So let's go to our first page. Now we're going to do a reference, table of contents, and I'm just going to pick one. So I'm going to pick the first one. And there we go. Automatically, the table of contents has appeared. Now, if I was to add another page, let's just go down a bit. Here. We'll go into here and we'll put another title. I'm going to again go to my outline. I'm going to find another title, highlight that, and change that to level 1. So I've added in an extra one. Okay, now notice it doesn't appear on here. What you have to do to get it to appear is right click and go update field. And then I'm going to go update entire table. You can also, if you look, click this button here, which says update table. So update entire table, and it will add on that. If you update the entire table because something moves pages, so for instance, let's try it with this. If I move this down, okay, and then I click on here and update table, have a look at what happens to the page number. They change for you. All the page numbers change for you based on what page you are on. So it's all automatic, okay, and that's the beauty of a table of contents. So what you need to do is set up some titles, go to outline view, change those titles to level 1, go back to your normal view, references, table of contents, and insert a table of contents. and that will make your user guide a lot easier to understand.